Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood tarot reader Ankan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Scorpio or Vrushik Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of July 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies. So it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for other signs. If you don't know how to check out the signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. And do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Scorpio or Vrushik Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of July 2025. So Scorpio, I see you guys getting a lot of opposition this week, a lot of competition this week. People are out there to oppose you, to block you and your progress in your life. You basically they are your enemies, I would say. People who don't want you to succeed, people who don't want you to make progress, to achieve something in your life. So you are going to face a lot of competition this month. Now the other energies that is showing me is the two of wands. So you are kind of in a very much comfort zone in your life. You are not taking action towards something, but you are planning to do like something. You're planning to take action towards something, but you haven't decided on that yet. There could be a sense of confusion. There could be a sense of not being able to make the right decision. For some of you, this could mean that you are planning to go somewhere to travel abroad or travel in general, and you are trying to decide on that. If your like work related could be related to travel. But yeah, you are very much in a planning and a plotting kind of phase in your life. Now, the other energies that is coming towards when it comes to your career and finances, I see a very balanced approach. I see you very much in tune with your resources, with your options, with your career aspects. You have chosen not to go into any extremes, not to take sides, but to follow a very liberal middle kind of path when it comes to your career and finances. So it's a good kind of energy. It's a very balanced and harmonious kind of energies when it comes to your career and finances. Now, when it comes to your love and romance and relationships, definitely a new beginning. For some of you, this could mean marriage. And if you're married, this could mean pregnancy. Also, a new sense of love. But yeah, proposals possibly coming your way. Could be proposals. But yeah, love is definitely coming your way. A love that is not just driven by emotions, but also by passion. Because this person that is coming towards you is feels very passionately towards you. And this person basically is very much attracted towards you. And there is this sense of infatuation as well. I feel like the energies kind of show that there is a sense of head over heels kind of love. But yeah, for many of you, this also could mean pregnancy. Now, when it comes to your health, I see overall good energies making good progress in your health, making good improvements in your health, and the universe is working in the background to, you know, uh, make you go in a more stable and more healthier kind of area. This is like things are working in the background. You might not be aware of it right now because not everything is being revealed to you. Even not everything is being revealed to me. But there is this um, energies in the background, underlying energies or hidden energies that you are not aware of. But these are good energies. There is nothing to worry about. But things are happening in the background. So for some of you, if you are having health issues, this could mean that things are turning out for the better. It might not be aware of it right now. It might not show right now, but yeah, things are kind of turning out for the better. The other energies that is again showing me is there is some sort of shock involved this month for you. You could receive there could be an event that is going to shake you, that is going to cause you some sort of pain, and that is going to make you question the very own existence of on a lot of things. Now, the thing or the gist of it that you need to take into consideration is this is coming your way because there is something that is not true. You are based, or you are focused on something that is fake, that is not real, and this is universe showing you that what you thought was the perfect thing, the most stable kind of thing, is not. It's built on mistrust, is built on lies, and the universe is showing you uh, is basically making you face the reality. It's just that the universe's way of showing you the reality is not that pleasant. It's a bit shocking. It's a bit panicky, kind of chaosy. There is a chaotic kind of energies here, very much a chaotic kind of energies. So you may feel a very, you know, like uh, panicked and shocked in this event, whatever is coming your way. Now, the other energies that is there is, I again see you like, see, you get the two of wands for your vibrations. Like this energy is there, but as time goes on, as the month goes on, I also see you getting the energies of the three of wands. So basically, you have, as the time goes by, as the month goes by, you will come to a conclusion. You will make a decision, and you will finally be, uh, you know, making the right choices, making the right decisions, and venturing out, taking that action that you need to take in this. And yeah, for some of you, this could also mean a vacation, I travel, anything related to travel. But you will make the decision, you will take you will make that um, conscious choice on the thing, and this will obviously bring in success and help you achieve your goals. I also see you holding on to something. You are not letting things go. You are very stubborn on a lot of things. Not very flexible. A very hard and rigid kind of energy is there. You might feel that people are trying to hurt you. People are trying to take things away from you, and so you have this sense of holding on to and like not letting it go. A very There is some sort of insecurities involved in it. Now, when it comes to your thing, like, or the energy that you should focus upon, you get the Queen of Wands. So the universe is asking you to focus your energies on the more fiery side of things, to take control of things, to have a authoritative position. Try to. I know you are a water sign, but we all have all the elements are within us. So the universe is basically asking you to tap into your fiery energy, take a more direct kind of approach in life. Be more passionate towards the things you do in your life. But for some of you, this could also mean that this is your partner or your person, and they are very much in control. They're very much in their own power. They're doing very well, very much fulfilled and matured, and are very much kind of they know what they're doing. So for some of you, that is the case. So yeah, now let's look at what oracle guidance is coming your way for this month, Scorpio, or what advice is basically coming your way this month. Yep, you get inner child. So allow me to give compassion and love to that little one. Let me attend to his deepest needs and feelings. So, see, like pregnancy, again, for some of you, like I said, pregnancy, this is the card of inner child, again, signifying there is some sort of child involved. See, for if you look at the iconography, there is a child in a fetal kind of position. So, yeah, for some of you, definitely pregnancy. But the overall advice is that focus on your inner child, your own child that is within you. We all have a child within you because built to bacha hai ji, and yeah, so you need to focus upon that inner child of you. Let things let yourself enjoy the little things in life. Don't be so grumpy and so serious in life all the while. Let go of things and try to embrace the smaller and sweeter kind of things in your life. Uh, Go for a walk, um, you know, indulge in some sort of sports. Do what you feel like if you have a hobby, give time and effort into that. If it pleases you. So yeah, Scorpio, this would be your reading, and if it resonated with you, if you like the video, do like the video and leave a comment in the comment section to claim the reading, and also subscribe to the channel so that you get notified and get more of such videos in the coming future. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care and embrace your inner child.